Tutua, and the item of the week is statement earrings. When we speak of standout accessories, you might be thinking of sunglasses, maybe a handbag, a hat, a belt, you name it. But statement earrings could really do a lot for an outfit. Yes, the minimalistic studs, the gold hoops are still fashionable, don't get me wrong. And I know a lot of people only turn to statement earrings when it comes to parties, night out, or maybe when they're on holidays. But honestly speaking, statement earrings could really be your go-to for any occasion. The variety of styles, earring designs, different materials, oversized, huge, bold, large. Yes, these are attributes of statement earrings. So now, girlfriend,
If your earrings does not contain any of these elements,
it is not a statement earring. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more items of the week. Leave a comment down below. Let's get talking. See you next time. Bye-bye. These are handmade statement earrings that I made myself. And the materials that I use are check bugle beads, chertones beads, seed beads, leather, and thread.